welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amanda. I make lifestyle and beauty content here on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this really fun, colorful look. So if you're interested and you want to do this for Halloween, be sure to keep watching and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel before we get started. All right, let's head into it. Okay, so I've already prepped and primed my eyes. So I'm going to start off with some of the colors. Now, I just have to say that I don't actually have all the colors for a rainbow, but I'm just going to do my own kind of interpretation of a rainbow. So I'm going to be using yellow colors, orange, blue, pink, and purple, and white. So that's what I'm going to do to create my rainbow. Also, I just want to note that my husband is playing a game in the background, so if you hear him talking, I'm so sorry. But I will try to add music if it gets really loud for you guys, okay? So I'm going to start off with a yellow color. So I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the Taupe collection, and I'm going to go in with a yellow color. So I'm actually just going to be using this color right here, and I'm going to start using that to create a cut crease. So let's go ahead. I'm just using a Morphe brush. I can link the brush set down below for you guys if you are interested in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to define my crease. I'm going to go back into my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, the Taupe one, the same one as I was using before, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this orange shade, and I'm going to start to diffuse the color right along here, which is going to blend into the yellow. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a pigment, and it is the Fenty Beauty pigments, which I actually used in my last video, so I will link them down below for you guys if you would like to check them out. So it is a really pretty pink color, so I'm just going to blend the orange and then start to incorporate the pink. I'm going to go in with another Fenty. I'm going to go in with another Fenty Beauty pigment, and this one is purple, so again, it's quite holographic, so I'm just going to blend it in with the pink. And then the last color that we're going to use is going to be blue, and I'm actually going to extend it out quite a bit because it's for Halloween. Why not just be a little extra, right? On top of that purple color, I also am adding from the Nude Light Beauty Huda Beauty palette. I'm just adding this purple on top because I am finding, this one here, I'm finding that it's a little bit too sparkly or like shimmery. So I just went back in and I am going to just kind of add on to that, but I like it because it's going to add a little bit more of a matte look to it instead of it being shiny, because I'm not really loving like the way that it looks in my crease, like when it's shiny, like more above where my eyebrow is. So I'm just adding a little bit more, and I'm finding like it will look a lot better. So I'm going to keep blending this out, and then I'll show you the blue. Okay, so I'm going to do the cut crease, create it, take all the makeup off in the places that I don't need the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to come back and I'll do the other eye with you on camera. Okay, guys, so we're gonna transform this into this. This obviously looks a lot cleaner, sharper, nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that on camera. First thing that I do is I just take a Q-tip and some makeup remover. I'm just gonna shake mine up because it has a little bit of oil in it, my makeup remover. And I'm going to apply it onto my Q-tip. And now I'm going to start removing the makeup where I don't want it to be on my crease. So I'm going to try to match it up obviously with the other side. going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to just go over top of the part where I took my makeup off. I'm going to blend out that concealer. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Melted Chrome eyeliner from Essence. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Okay, I've done my eyes. I'm gonna go do my makeup, like my face makeup off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you my lip choice, and I'm gonna do a couple different things as well on my face for design. So I went off camera, I did my full face of makeup, I did my eyebrows. My eyebrows are a little bit bigger than I kind of wanted them to be today. Sorry, but that's fine. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm using the L'Oreal Color Riche Utmost Taupe in 983. And it's just a like light pink color. So I'm going to be applying that onto my lips, and then we're going to go back in after and finish with the eyes. I'm going to be applying a gloss over top. This is the same one that I used in my last video, so it's the Essence Hollow Wow Dewy Lip Shine, and it's just in clear. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of that on. There we go. And then I'm going to now finish my eyes. So I'm just using a white shadow to go into the corners of my eyes because it doesn't look as blended out as I'd like to be. This one's a lot blended out more than this side. So I'm just taking a little bit of a white shadow and I'm just going in between to really blend that out. Make sure that it doesn't look like it's harsh. And it just takes a little bit to make it look a little bit less severe. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my Pastel Mint Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just going to use this color right here, which is a shimmery blue, or sorry, a green color. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that in the inner corners of my eyes, just to add a little bit of something. Okay, I'm just applying some mascara, and then I'm going to apply lashes, and then we're going to be done. Okay, I am so sorry. I realized that my camera did not film me doing like these dots, or I don't even think these little things, so I'm very sorry about that. I don't really know what happened, but I went off camera and I applied some fake lashes, and lastly I'm just going to do the lower lashes, and then I'm basically going to be done the look. I'm debating on what I want to do with my hair. I guess we'll see. But okay, I'm going to just apply some lower lash mascara onto my lower lashes, and then I'm going to be done. I also am going to change my shirt, obviously. I'm not just wearing a tank top, but I knew that this would kind of get messy, so I didn't want to wear a really pretty top and then get it dirty, get it all messy. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some lower lash mascara, and then I'm going to show you my hair and my top as well. Okay guys, so I went off camera, I put on a different shirt, I also did my hair, so I just did space buns, and then I actually just used cotton balls to get the little clouds on the top, and yeah, you guys, this is basically the completed look. So I will insert some shots for you guys up close so you guys can see, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun to create. And yeah, thank you so much for being patient. This video was a little back and forth, and I'm so sorry that some of the footage got deleted, but I had a lot of fun filming this for you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit the bell button so you're notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, just stay beautiful, you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!